Okay, today take a look at the metal power strip. Now this has something every power strip should have, which is it has those outlets pointing down instead of across. So that way if you get a big brick and you drop it on there, it's not covering up one and the next one and then sometimes the next one. So with this AC adapter, I plug it in, I got plenty of room on both sides. So that's fantastic. I also noticed that those outlets have a nice strong grip to it. So what's really great about things like this are these brackets right here. So I can take these, cool. So now we can screw this down, and I usually put mine on the sides of shelves or things like that, somewhere where it's going to be out of the way, it's not going to be taking up a lot of space, but I'm still going to have all of this power. And with that, if I stand it up and I plug something in the side, sometimes they make these outlets so that they're so loose that a brick like this would just fall out. As we can see with this one, that is going to stay in there no problem. So that's good. These are very good outlets. We also have a nice long 6-foot cord on here, and they did this correctly as well. So you can see it is not pointing straight down and it is not pointing straight out. It's actually pointing at slightly an angle. So when it plugs in, it's going to plug in like this. You're going to still be able to plug things in below it. So if you got, like, for example, a big power brick that you need to put underneath it, you're going to be able to go around that with this plug. This is the way that every plug should be. Not only is it slightly at an angle, but it's also not going straight out. So if you need to plug this into a wall, then you want to put like a bookshelf or something in front of it, you don't have to worry about that cord sticking out. So very good design. And the cable is properly wired as 14 aux, so we know this is good for 15 amps. And this is very important. I like to see this. It is actually UL certified. Okay, when we turn it on, we do have a light on here, so we know that this is working. Cool. And we know that we are getting power. So yeah. Overall, that is a very nice power strip. I love, this is like the perfect style. It's a nice strong aluminum. It's got these brackets on the side so you can mount it up. Got a light so you know that it's working. Yeah, this is fantastic. I'm very happy to have that.